Hey guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. Well, as you can see, I don't have any makeup on my face right now. There's absolutely no makeup, yet my skin is glowing, right? So I'm going to teach you the skin prep in this video, how you can prepare your skin before makeup. Well, skin prep is absolutely important if you want your makeup to last longer, if you want your makeup to look flawless, your skin to feel hydrated all the time, and even after applying the makeup and all the powder products that you apply, a good skin prep is very important. Trust me guys, and for that you should definitely know your skin type and choose the products accordingly. When it comes to my skin, I have an extremely dry skin, so I love to apply products that are really moisturizing, and especially during winters. Most of these products that I am showing are for all skin types, and I bought all these products from Amazon. The link is in the description box below. You can click on those links to purchase these products. So let's jump into the video and see how I prepare the skin for makeup and the steps that you must follow before you start applying makeup. And also quick reminder to subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet. And so first step obviously has to be to make sure that your face is absolutely clean. So I washed my face using this face wash. Now this is from a Korean brand which is called The Face Shop. Again, these products are available on Amazon. The entire range of Face Shop products are available, and I absolutely love this one. This is Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. So just take a little bit of face wash on your palms and just lather it and just massage your face in circular motions and then wash it with water. So it will take away all the dirt and excess oil or anything else that you have on your face. So yes, this is what I used to wash my face in the morning. And now let's go on to the second step. When you wake up in the morning and you always feel that your face is like puffy and it's swollen and stuff, this tip will really help you guys, trust me. So this is like ice cold water. Dipping your face in ice cold water reduces puffiness, it soothes your skin and also helps in closing the pores. So I'm a makeup artist, so this is something that I usually tell my brides, that please use some ice cold water and dip your face in it properly, because it really helps and it prepares your skin properly for makeup. So yeah, so let's do this step. This feels very refreshing. Alright, so let's go on to our next step, which is using a toner. So I'm just taking this toner. Now this is from Perenne and I love it because it comes in a spray form. I find it really easy, you don't have to look for cotton or anything to wipe your face. So yeah, so I'm using this toner and just 2-3 sprays, and so we're gonna let this dry. Wait, be patient when it comes to skincare. Be a little patient, take out good 5 minutes to pamper your skin if you want good makeup. So now comes the moisturizing part of the skin. So now I'm using this serum. This is again from the Face Shop. This is the Pomegranate and Collagen Volume Lifting Serum. Absolutely love this range. I've been using this for a few weeks now. It works very well for my skin type. I have a dry skin. Now this is an 80 ml bottle. It costed me 1600, otherwise the MRP of this serum is 2150. So you can check the link in the description box and buy this serum. And let's see the texture of this. Love the packaging. The bottle is so amazing. A nice lightweight formula, and it absorbs into the skin very nicely and quickly. Now this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to apply it on my face. I just wanted to show you guys the texture. So taking a little bit of serum here and just applying it on your face, and I'm just going to pat it all over the face. After the serum, I'm using this Collagen Cream, again from the Face Shop. It's from the same range. Volume lifting cream, and it improves firmness and plumps your skin. Now this is a 100 ml bottle and it costed me 1800 rupees, and quite a good price actually for the quantity that I'm getting here. And and you need to apply like really tiny amounts, so this will go like long way, and so it would be a good investment. Okay, so this cream is great if you have dry skin texture, which I have. My skin is really dry and I need a good thick moisturizer on my skin. But in case if you have an oily skin, I would say you can probably avoid this one, or just use like very little quantity, because this cream is really thick. Okay, so now I am just massaging it all over my face in circular motion, or like, you know, always massage the cream like this in an upward motion. Never bring it down, never push your skin downwards, always upward. Honestly, with this cream, my face just stays moisturized all day long. Like, you know, my skin is so dry that if I don't apply a good moisturizer, I feel my skin starts feeling very stretchy, as if, you know, koi kheech raha hai meri skin, and I hate that feeling. So this is like a good moisturizer for me. Also, moisturizing the lips is very important. This is like my all-time favorite. I've been using this for God knows, I don't know how many years, maybe 20 years or so. No, not 20 years, I'm not that old. Maybe 10 years or so. So this is Maybelline lip balm. Oh, love the tint it has, you know, this little reddish tint. Okay, this is a product which is very new in my kit. This is called House of Beauty Hydra Gel Eye Patch. Now this one has collagen, hyaluronic and peptides for hollow, dull, puffy eyes. If you've had those sleepless nights, if you've not slept well, this under eye patch will really help you. This is how these patches look. So you get like 30 pairs in this, so basically 60 patches. And you can pick up the patches with this, using this spatula. Don't use your hands, don't dip your dirty hands in it. Even if they're clean, don't dip your hands, use a spatula. I'm gonna leave this here for 15 to 20 minutes. Now apart from this, I bought another eye patch. Now this is from this brand named Vitology. Now this has, look at the eye patches first, they look so pretty, and it has 24K gold crystal collagen, and it says that, you know, this eye mask helps in reducing fine lines, wrinkles, crow feet lines around the eye area, and it also minimizes eye bags and fades away dark circles. Now this pack has 5 pairs and it costed me 600 rupees. So yes, definitely little expensive from House of Beauty patches. The House of Beauty patches box costed me 1800 rupees and it has like 60 pairs. This definitely I'm gonna keep it in my makeup kit, and I'll be using it on my brides because I love to pamper my brides, right? They are ultimately paying me. So, and also the makeup has to look amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna literally close my eyes and relax for a while. So I've removed those under eye patches and it was definitely very refreshing. It feels amazing. My eyes don't feel that tired now. So now let's go on to the next step, which is applying a sunscreen, a very important step. Please do this every day, even if you're not stepping out, even if you're just sitting at home. Please apply sunscreen every day. It protects your skin from all the harmful radiations and also, you know, from photo aging, which is caused because of our phones, computers, TV, etc. Now this is from Innisfree. I absolutely love this one. I have been using this sunscreen for good 4-5 years now. It's not very sticky, it doesn't leave a white cast on your face, and also this one has SPF 50 and it's PA+++++, like 4 times plus. Now the only part that's left is priming your skin, and using a primer definitely helps in covering the pores, and it makes your foundation look much more smoother. In case if you have pores and or other skin issues, then using a primer is a must before you put your foundation. Okay, so I have this amazing primer. This is from Plume. It's called Skin Blur. It has hyaluronic acid and avocado extract. So this not only moisturizes your skin but also blurs out the imperfections and pores, and it prepares your skin for makeup. So I'm taking a little bit of this and applying it, but again, you know, I've already moisturized my skin and I've applied like really thick products, really thick creams, and my skin is well hydrated. So, you know, in case of you know, a weather condition when it's too hot or humid, I might not probably apply this primer, and I might opt for a primer like this. Now this is from Color Bar. It is a silicone based primer, so you know that it's not a moisturizing primer, okay? It's not going to moisturize my skin, it will just prime my skin, as in like it will just create that layer to hide the pores and to, you know, blur out the imperfections. So you have to choose your products as per the weather condition also and how your skin is feeling. If you have an oily skin, then as I said, definitely just avoid a thick moisturizer like this. You can just, you know, use the serum, and on top of it just apply this Plume hydrating primer, okay? This Plume Skin Blur Moisturizing Primer will cost you 650 rupees. Again, bought this from Amazon. The link is in the description box. So yes guys, these are the steps that you can follow for your skin prep before makeup. So yes, there are too many steps, but as I said, you have to figure out what your skin type is and then choose the products, and then you can in fact reduce the steps. You don't have to do all these things every day. I don't do it myself. Usually I definitely use a moisturizer, a sunscreen, and a toner also. So yes, you can do your skin prep depending on how much time do you have and how your skin is feeling. So yes, I hope this video was helpful guys. In case if you have any questions, any doubts related to any product, you can just drop in the comment, and also give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and looking forward to all your comments guys. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video.